Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about PropWire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you search expired listings in PropWire? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to search expired listings in PropWire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online wholesale business, you know that spending your marketing dollars wisely can help your budget go a lot further and increase conversions. And expired listings are a great opportunity, especially since the seller has already raised their hand and wanted to sell at one point. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PropWire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PropWire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to search the expired listings in PropWire, first you want to choose search area. So just click up here and then just type in a city or a zip code. For me, I'll go ahead and choose this zip code. All right, once you do that, it's going to show all the properties that are registered in that particular area. So you can see we're working with 13,400. And to find the expired listings, you're going to click on this more button right here. Once you do that, you'll see these 5 options, and you want to click here on MLS filters. Okay, once you do that, look for this box right here, MLS status, and you want to click there, and you want to click here on failed. So these are expired listings. So you can go ahead and save and close here, but generally what I'm going to do is I'm only going to go back 1 year. So from, let's see here, May 2025 is where we're at right now. So I'll go back to May 1st, 2024 up until today, because sometimes these listings expired, 3 years ago. So maybe they've completely changed their mind. So for me, the most recent year expired listing shows there was some interest recently. And then we're going to click on save and close. Okay, so that drops it down to 71 properties. So you can go ahead and print out this list here, but I'm usually going to continue adding in different filters. So for me personally, I like to go after single family. So I'm going to click here on property types and single family, and that's going to drop it down to 21. And then also price. So if your budget's 300,000, there's no sense in showing, $2 million, $3 million properties. So I'll click here on price and put in your budget. So let's say 200 to, let's say maybe 600,000. Okay. Also, I'm going to click here on more, and I like to go to owner filters, and I like to work with individuals. So I'm going to choose individual. Also years of ownership. For me personally, I put in that they had to have owned the property for at least 3 years, just because if they bought the property last year or 2 years ago, it's not really likely that I'm going to get a good deal. And then also properties owned by owner, I put in 3, because if they own 50 different properties, that means they're a seasoned investor. So it's going to make the negotiating much harder. And then I'm going to click on save and close. Okay, so now we have 4 different properties. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the expired listings in your PropWire account, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.